3.1 on average. He's looking for redemption. Perhaps the greatest 3x3 solver of all time. Extremely fluid, extremely fast. 5:45 for him to open things up. 20 advance. This would be huge. Second solve upcoming for Yiheng Wang. And the little master delivers!
Goodness!
Bang! 3.80! Here we go, a huge third solve here. Yiheng, great turning, absolutely flawless.
Oh my goodness, they're neck and neck.
They are counting solves just 1/100th of a second apart. The one that might matter the most, the one that might win the world championship for Yiheng Wang.
My
And,
God,
holy goodness! For 3.94, he's going to count that solve. Take it away. And he's done it! Yiheng Wang is your world champion. The absolute pop-off, 4.43. He's done it with an incredible average, 4.23. The